28 home remedies for controlling cough. Number 1 is honey. 2. Licorice root. 3rd. Salt water. Number 4. Probiotic. Number 5. Peppermint. Number 6. Marshmallow. Number 7. Thyme. Number 8. Bromelain. Number 9. Steam inhalation. Number 10. Use pepper in your meal. Number 11. Drink turmeric in water. Number 12. Cayenne. Number 13. Carrot juice. Number 14. Grapefruit. Number 15. Almonds. Number 16. Kumquat. Number 17. Red lemon. Number 18. Lemon seeds. 19. Buddha hand sprout. 20. Raisins. 21. Strawberries. 22. Pears. 23. Star fruit. 24. Hot milk with honey. 25. Onions. 26. Garlic. 27. Lemon. 28. Ginger. The one of the best of them is the salt water. Salt water is popular in home remedies for cough. It is an effective treatment for sore throat as can relieve discomfort and inconvenience from cough. Simply you can mix a teaspoon of salt with some warm water. Stir salt in warm water until it is dissolved for 15 seconds and gargle it. This method is very simple and effective at home. It will relieve your cough because cough has the receptor which is located inside in your throat. When you have irritation in throat, it can leads to the activation of the receptor which is located inside in your throat, and the cup center is located inside in the medulla oblongata, which is a part of the brain, and cup is generated.